Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I got a kind of a funny story today. This review, but this trading recap is really early today. You guys can see it's only 9:39, where I'm recording it at. But I'm gonna tell you what happened here. The stock I traded today was ZSAN. Okay, and so I bought 500 shares on accident, and what I wanted to do was, so I have this trade bar right here, and it was at 500 shares, and I usually just have it at 500 shares. The stocks I trade are like $5, and then it only takes like 2,500 of my capital. But I swear to you, I thought I clicked 300 shares before I went to go buy, and I ended up buying at $10.25. Okay, so we're gonna go over this on the chart. $10.25. This thing's going nuts right now. So 1 minute chart. It was like about right here, right when it broke out. But the problem I had with it was if I had said like, okay, if I had 200 or 250 shares of this, I probably would have sold this around $11. But knowing that I had 500 shares on it, and this is literally my entire account, cash wise. Yeah, cash wise, this is my entire account. So I'm like, all right, I don't want to kill myself over this one trade because I took too much size. I took too much size. It's like, all right, I'm out. I sold like right away, pretty much at I think it was like 10:40, 10:38. Hold on, we can just check right here. Yeah, 10:48. I tried to sell at 10:35 because I was like, no way, I'm not being a part of these big swings. Because usually the higher the price, the bigger swings you'll see, and I'm gonna show you guys that on my level 2. But anyways, I got in at 10:25 on like kind of on accident, or no, I filled it. I tried to get in at 10:25, filled at 10:35, and that was the high of the pre-market high. So I was fine with that. The entry wasn't the problem. It was just how many shares I bought. So I bought 500 shares at 10:35, and I literally scalped it for a quick 13 cents because I was not trying to deal with those spreads. And even if I did go to $11, but it could have very well dropped under. Even if it dropped under quickly, to let's say $10, because I was doing it right here, like $10, going under all that stuff. Then I would have had to sell because my whole entire account's in that position, and you just don't want to keep holding because this thing can turn bad, and that's what really kills people accounts. So luckily I just got a little scalp, but I'm telling you, if I had 250 shares, I probably would have sold them to around the $11. Then you guys can see here it pulled back, and actually pulled back perfectly right to the VWAP. This is like textbook. Like if this was a lower price stock, I probably would have bought like 1,000 shares. Real textbook. Pulled back to the VWAP. You guys see real good strength here, and boom, this bull flag breaks out, and then you buy at the break of the high of the pre candle, and then all the way to $12. It's pulling back again, starting to push through. But the reason why I kind of sold quick with 500 shares is because look at these spreads right now. See, the bids at $10.90, and the ask is at 11.05. And before, this thing was whipping around when there was like a lot more volume coming, so I can't really show you it. But you guys see how this yellow marker right here goes from 11.04 to $11. Well, before it was going to like 11.20 to 11.40, and then I can't even see it on my screen. That's what I was talking about with this trade metrics thing. It's kind of hard to keep up with really volatile stocks that have huge swings. So I kind of want to reduce that risk. But I mean, I made $55 a day after commissions. Like I said, I did not want to buy 500 shares. That was not in the plan. I wanted to buy like 300, 200 maybe, and then ride this thing out. But maybe I would have sold half my position at $11 and just held the rest. I probably would have sold the rest up here, but I mean, it is what it is. A little technical error on my side, my part of things, and that's perfectly fine. It happens. But I got to make sure, because I could have very well went wrong. I could have bought at that pre-market high, and I was like, whoa, 500 shares, and it could have dropped all the way down to $10. And if I'm buying, and that's 35 cents per loss, and that's really hurt. That's why I sold so quickly, because I didn't even want to risk that. I didn't even want to say, oh my God, I just lost $200, $400 because I took too much size. So I mean, I'm proud of my entry because that's what and this is what happened. You guys see this on top of my screen? Unexpected errors happen. For some reason, Thinkorswim's been really weird past like couple weeks, randomly I'll just do this, and then I'll press restart. Oh, I did not mean to press restart. Anyways, I'll press continue, and I'll do that, and I'll just restart on his own. I'll press continue, and it'll restart on his own, and then. Anyways, yeah, that's my trade today. It's just nice, quick, and easy. How much time did that take? Literally, I was in and out of it in seconds because I just did not want to deal with those spreads. Yeah, I sold this like 14 seconds later. Like I said, if I had smaller size, I definitely would have held it a lot longer, probably until 11s, no doubt. But it's whatever. Tomorrow I can't trade because I have $760. You guys can see on the bottom of the screen. Oh, hell on, my face might be covering it. Yeah, okay, so you guys see at the bottom of the screen right here, I have $760. Or I could just show you right here. Unsettled funds, $5,200, and then my account's only worth like $6,000, so I have about $800, $760 settled for tomorrow. So I just can't trade tomorrow unless I'm trading like a really penny stock or like a really low price stock, and I buy like, say like $1.50 stock, I could buy like 300 shares, 400 shares. But I mean, I'll wake up, I'll go through it because you never know, that $1.50 stock might be there and it might run to $4. You just, So I will be awake. I mean, I'll wake up early every day anyways. Let's check out March and see how it's been treating us. I feel bad for my YouTube subscribers because I haven't been posting a lot of videos because truly, like, it's just I haven't been trading a lot. There's just not been real opportunity there. So look at no trades. But beginning of March, I had that. So I only lost 11 cents per share on this. The reason why it's $110, one of my biggest losses, because I took 1,000 shares at it, and it had good news. My entry at 150, test pre-market high, hit. It only went up 4 cents and then just fell. So it's not that the loss is big in terms of like percentage wise, but in terms of the real dollar bills, it's a little bigger. It's because I just took a bigger size. Like on my $180 loss, I only took 500 shares and it still got killed. So $1,000. So today I made what? Today I made $55. Yeah. 55 bucks. Like, why is that an error? Alright, so I made $55. Bought too many shares on like my entry. Yeah, so I mean, I like my entry. Like I said, I just didn't want to deal with the risk behind the higher price stocks, because when you get above $10, the swings start getting a little bigger. Like you guys can see, it's already at 1050, 1074 just in a second. And if 500 shares and that goes down 20 cents, I can't afford that with my entire trading account on the line. So like I said, I just got in, got out because I didn't have my 250 shares that I wanted. It's all good though. We had a couple others on the watch. We had a couple stocks on watch list. See how these are doing. I could show you guys these real quick. PXY or PIXY. This one had a blockchain news, and if this was December, this thing probably would have ran to $5. But because I'm in December, if you had blockchain news, you were going crazy. You were doing really well, or the stock would go nuts. Everything would have blockchain news back then. I say that like it's a year ago or something. This thing touched this pre-market high and just fell really hard. Like that's where you get killed. Say if this thing ended up breaking the pre-market high and hit 351, That's probably where I would have bought at. The break of the half dollar, and it's right next to the pre-market high. And I would just got killed, absolutely killed. What I'm gonna do? Hold it till 290 with 500 shares. I'm down 60 cents. That's $300 gone. No, you gotta cut your losses. You gotta be disciplined. Even though it does come back up, you're not following your rules, and at that point, you'll never be a successful trader, and you'll be one of the 9 traders that fail. 9 out of 10 traders fail, and I'm just trying to be the one that succeeds so I can live the life I want to live, and do what I want to do with my life. So life's too short not to do otherwise. By the way, I want to get a golden retriever, and I want to name him Queso. Yeah, but that's today's trade. Like I said, I love my pre-market entry. Break of that pre-market high. Just had too many shares. That's all. It is what it is. We'll be back tomorrow morning, and then I'll come and look, and maybe there's that $1.50 stock that looks good. But chances are I probably won't trade tomorrow. I don't know why I have voice cracks still. I drink a lot of water. I'm 20 years old. Still have voice cracks. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Like I said, we'll be back tomorrow, and we'll go ahead and hit this button.
That was easy.
All right, that was easy. Okay, that's cool. I just dropped it, but anyways, that was easy, but it was kind of scary at the same time because I had 500 shares. All right, peace out, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully, we'll have a trade recap tomorrow. If not, Friday.